Alright, so this is your predictive dialer, Vici dial, and we're gonna see how we're gonna get the IP address. So just hit enter so you get that login. Go ahead and type in root, and then whatever your root password is, type that in, hit enter again. You're gonna get all this other information, we don't care about that, but once you see that, you're gonna type in ifconfig. And here you're going to see a lot of information, but what we care about is this iNet address. So you can see ours is 192.168.3.101. So now if we go to our other screen here and open up a new tab, type in 192.168.3.101, hit enter. You can see you now get the Vici dial landing page here. Now if you don't get this, that means you're not on the same network. So I have this connected to the same network. As you can see, I did an IP config, and I'm getting a 192.168.3.100. So I'm on the same network as that device. And now we can go to administrator. And then our default administrator is going to be username is going to be 6666, and then our password is going to be 1234. You hit enter, and now we have this page, and now we can do the initial setup, and that's all there is to it.